Welcome to the 1Q3 channel. In the last presentation, we've gone through the abstract and methodology. You know how the study was done, but now we are getting to the heart of the matter, the results and the discussion. This is where many researchers get lost in the sea of jargon. But if you want to be a critical thinker, you can't just make the author's word for it. Today, we are going to learn how to interpret the call, uncovering what the study actually found, what it means, and whether the authors are overstating their bounds. First up, the results. This section should be a no-frills, a straightforward presentation of the data. When you are reading, ask yourself, is it clear? Are the tables and figures actually helping? Or are they just making your head spin? That is much the goal. The result should directly answer the research question asked at the beginning. If the authors start talking about something totally unrelated, that's a red flag. Spot the patterns. Do the findings support the hypothesis, or is there an anomaly or weird data point that the authors are trying to ignore? Don't just read the text. Look at the numbers for yourself. Next, we move to the discussion. This is where the authors tell you what the results mean. But be careful, this is also where spin happens. You need to be a bit of detective here. Check for overreach. Are the authors making huge claims that their small study doesn't actually support? Look for the competition. Do they mention previous research? A good paper doesn't exist in a vacuum. It should explain if it aligns with, contradicts, or expands on what we already know. The honesty test. A strong paper always admits its flaws. If the authors don't acknowledge their limitations, like sample size or constraints, they aren't being fully transparent. When you reach the conclusion, ask, is this a logical ending or a leap of faith? A great conclusion shouldn't just repeat the results. It should offer a meaningful path forward. And don't forget to scroll down to the references. The quality of a paper often depends on the company it keeps. Are they citing reputable, peer-reviewed journals? Is there a mix of classic, foundational texts or cutting-edge new research? If the citations are outdated or misrepresented, the whole argument starts to crumble. We also have to talk about the invisible factors, bias and assumptions. Check the funding. If a study on the benefits of sugar is funded by a soda company, you should probably raise an eyebrow. Beyond the money, look for theoretical assumptions. Does the author assume certain things are true without proving them? If those underlying assumptions are shaky, the whole study is shaky. Finally, step back. Ask yourself, what is the overall impact? Is this a massive contribution to the field, or just a tiny, incremental step? Can it be replicated? If another scientist tried this tomorrow, would they get the same result? Critical reading isn't about being cynical, it's about being thorough. By looking at the results, the discussion, and the biases, you aren't just a consumer of information, you're a contributor to the conversation. Thanks for watching. Now go grab that paper you've been avoiding and start digging into the call.